Are you tired of your crappy Corky products leaking? Let's change them out with something way better. First, you're going to start by getting rid of this disgusting old flapper from Corky. Now you're going to start by getting rid of this disgusting, way too over-engineered fill valve out of the tank. Now you just lift this piece of crap out of the tank and get new parts. We're putting in Fluid Master. We're going to be putting in this flapper, connect 2 ears, each side, test it out, flap it a lot, make sure it works. It's a flapper, flaps well. There we go. Now set in your brand new fill valve into the hole. Turn it the right way you want it. You don't want it messing around with the tank lever. You don't want it interfering with the side of the tank. You don't want any of that. Put the refill hose into the refill overflow tube. Tighten it down. Make sure it's secure. And there you go. Fully installed. Never ever buy Corky.